Hello my dear students, welcome back to you in your maths class. I am Afroz Alam sir from Shivbrat Singh Children Academy. Today I am going to teach you about chapter 4 parts and wholes. Okay students, and today's topic is addition and subtraction of fractions. Okay, dear students, please open page number 36. Question number 18. Okay students, look at here carefully. Add the following. Add the following. Question number 18 of A is here given that 5 mixed 3 over 7 plus 11 over 14. Okay students, look at here carefully. In this question here given that a mixed fraction and a proper fraction. Okay students, look at here carefully. This one firstly we have to take the multiplication of 7 and 4, then add 3 for changing the given mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Okay students, look at here carefully. Firstly we have to take the multiplication of 7 and 4, then add 3. Okay students, total upon, here we can write 7 as same in denominator. Okay, plus here 11 over 14 we can write as same. Okay students, look at here carefully. After solving these we get 7 5 is 35 plus 3 over 7 plus 11 over 14. Okay, after adding these we get 5 plus 3 is 8. Here we get 3 over 7 plus 11 over 18. This is, look at here carefully. This is an improper fraction and this is a proper fraction. Look at denominator parts. Here given that 7 and here 14. 7 and 14 are not same denominator. Okay, therefore we can take LCM of 7 and 14. Okay students, here given that 7 and 14 are not same, therefore we can take LCM of 7 and 14. Okay, we know that 7 is not divisible by 2, therefore we can take 7 as same, and 2 7 is 14. Okay, 7 1 is 7 and 7 1 is 7. Then LCM is equal to 2 into 7. 2 7 is 14. It means that, look at here carefully, distance. Here given that 7 and here 8. Here given that 7 and here 14. Okay, look, distance. Here we can write 30 over 7. Multiply by distance. Look at here carefully. If we have to take the multiplication of 2 and if we have to take the multiplication by 2 in numerator and denominator, then we get the same denominator, okay, of given fraction. Look at here carefully. Here given that 14, if therefore we can take the multiplication by 1 in numerator and denominator. Okay, 38 2 ja, yes, 8 2 ja 16 of 6 carry 1, 3 2 ja 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay, 7 2 ja 14 plus 11 1 ja 11 and 14 1 ja 14. Okay friends, here we get 14 as same denominator. Understand? Therefore we can write 14 as this type. Then we can take 76 plus 11. 6 plus 1 is 7 and 7 plus 1 is 8 over 14. Distance, this is an improper fraction, therefore this can be changed into a mixed fraction, okay, by taking the division of 87 by 14. 14 6 86. After subtracting this we get 7 minus 6 is 3, 84. 14 6 84. 14 6 84. Yes, 7 minus 4 is 3 and here we get cancel marks. Therefore we can write 6 whole 3 over 14. Therefore we can write 6 whole 3 over 14. This is your answer. Okay students, if any student have doubt in this question, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Now read this. Okay, now let's start question number 2. Question number 18 of B. Now let's start question number 18 of B. Here given that 6 whole 4 over 9 plus 5 whole 5 over 6. Okay students, look at here carefully. Here given that two mixed fraction, okay, firstly we have to change the given mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Okay, look at here carefully. Firstly we have to take the multiplication of 9 and 6, then add 4. Okay, look, 9 into 6 plus 4 total upon 9 plus, similarly we can do in this fraction 6 into 5 plus 5 total upon 6. Okay, 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 4 over 9 plus 6 5 are 30. 30 plus 5 over 6. Okay, so after adding these we get 4 plus 4 is 8 and here we get 5 over 9 plus 30 plus 5 is 35 over 6. Just look at here carefully. Here given that 9 and 6 are not same, therefore we can take LCM of 9 and 6. We know that 9 is not divisible by 2, but 6 is divisible by 2, therefore here we take 2. Here we can write 9 as same. 2 3 is 6, 3 3 is 9 and 3 1 is 3. Again 3 1 is 3. Okay. Then the LCM of 9 and 6 is 2 into 3 into 3. Conditions, it means that 2 3 is 6, 6 3 is 18. 6 3 is 18. Look at here carefully. Just we know that 9 2 is 18, 9 2 is 18 and 6 3 is 18. Okay. Therefore we can take the multiplication by 2 in this fraction and the multiplication by 2 in this, the multiplication by 3 in this fraction. Okay, look at here carefully. Here given that 58 over 9 plus 35 over 6. 35 over 6. Distance, here we get the LCM of 9 and 6 is 18. Therefore 9 to the 18, therefore we can take the multiplication of 2 in numerator and denominator. Similarly 6 3 is 18, therefore we can take the multiplication of 3 in numerator and denominator for finding the same denominators. Okay, look, 58 to the 2 8 is 16 of 6 carry 1, 2 5 is 10 plus 1 is 11 over 9 to the 18 plus 3 5 is 15 carry 1, 3 3 is 9 plus 1 is 10 over 18. Okay, since here we get 18 the same, therefore here we can take only 18 and add 116 plus 105. Okay, after adding this we get 5 plus 6 is 11 of 1 carry 1, 1 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus carry 1, 0 plus 1 is 1 and carry 1 कितना होगा 2. 1 plus 0 is 1 and plus carry 1, 1 1 2, 1 plus 1 is 2, 221 over 18. This is an improper fraction, therefore we have to change the given improper fraction into a mixed fraction by division method. Okay, look at here carefully. Here we can take the division of 221 by 18, 18 1 ja 18. Look, here given that 2, here 8, we know that 2 is less than 8, therefore we can take one borrow from this 2 and this 2 makes 12, 12 minus 8 is 4. Okay, and here we get 1 in place of 2, 1 minus 1 is 0, means that cancel out. Here we can take 1 as same, 18 to the 36. Yes, after subtracting these we get here given that 1, here 6, we know that 1 is less than 6, therefore we can take one borrow from 4 and this one makes 11, 11 minus 6 is 5. Here we get 3 in place of 4, 3 minus 3 is 0, it means that cancel out. Okay, then the mixed fraction is 12 mix 5 over 18, then 12 mix 5 over 18. This is the answer of this questions. Understand? If any student have doubt in this question, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, now read this. Okay, students, now let's start question number 18C. Here given that 3 whole 7 over 10 plus 5 whole 2 over 15. Okay, students, here given that 2 mixed fraction. Firstly we have to change given mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Okay, look at here carefully. Firstly we have to take the multiplication of 3 and 10, then add 7. Okay, dear students, look, 10 into 3 plus 7 total upon 10 plus 15 into 5 plus 2 total over 15. Understand? After multiplying these we get 10 3 is 30 plus 7 over 10 plus 15 5 is 75. Yes, 15 5 is 75 plus 2 over 15. Okay, distance. After adding these we get 30 plus 7 is 37 over 10 plus 75 plus 2 77 over 15. Okay, distance. Distance, look at denominator parts. Here given that 10, here given that 15. It means that the denominator are not same. Therefore we can take the LCM of 10 and 15. Okay, 2 5 are 10. Dear students, we know that 15 is not divisible by 2, therefore we can take 15 as same. Again we take 3. 5 is not divisible by 3, therefore we have to take 5. 15 3 ja 3 5 3 5 ja 15. 3 5 ja 15. Okay, and 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5. Then LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 5. 2 into 3 into 5. It means that 2 3 ja 6, 2 3 ja 6, 6 5 ja 30. Okay, sense. Look at here carefully. Here given that 10, we know that 10 3 ja 30 and 15 2 ja 30. 15 2 ja 30. Therefore, okay, therefore we have to take the multiplication in numerator and denominator by 3 in this fraction, and we take the multiplication by 2 in numerator and denominator of this fraction. Okay, distance. Look at here carefully. Here given that 37 by 10 plus 70. Here given that 77 by 15. Okay. Look at here carefully. Here we have to take the multiplication by 3 in numerator and denominator. Here we have to take the multiplication by 2 in numerator and denominator. Okay, for finding the same denominators. Understand? Okay. After multiplying these we get 3 7 ja 21. 21 of 2 carry 2. Dear students, please keep in mind. Here we get carry 2. 3 3 ja 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2 is 11 over 10 3 ja 30 plus 2 7 ja 14 of 4 carry 1. 2 7 ja 14 plus 1 is 15. Okay, over 30. Look at here carefully. Here we get 30 30 as same denominators. Okay, therefore we have to take 30 only one times, then add 111 plus 154. After adding these we get 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. And 1 plus 1 is 2. It means that after adding these we get 265 divided by 30. Listen, look at here carefully. This is an improper fraction. Here we have to change this improper fraction into a mixed fraction. Okay, by taking the division of 265 by 30. Okay, okay, sons. We know that 3 8 ja 24. It means that 8 0 ja 0, 8 3 ja 24. After subtracting this we get 5 minus 0 is 5, 6 minus 4 is 2, and 2 minus 2 is cancel out. Okay, okay, sons. Look at here carefully. Here given that 25, here 30, and here 8. Okay, then 8 whole 25 over 30. Dear sons, in this fraction, look at here carefully. 5 5 ja 25 and 6 5 ja 30. It means that firstly we have to take this fraction into simplest form, then by taking the division of 5. Look at here carefully. 265 divided by 5 is 5. 5 is 25. Here we get 1 5. 5 3 is 15. Okay. It means that 265 is equal to 53 multiplied by 5 and 30 is equal to 6 into 5. Here we can write 53 into 5 in place of 265, 6 into 5 in place of 30. Okay, 5 are cancel out, then we get 53 over 6. Understand? Okay, distance. Again we have to take the division of 53 by 6. Okay, 6 8 is 48. After subtracting these we get, look here given that 3, here 8. We know that 3 is less than 8, therefore we can take one borrow from this 5 and this 3 makes 13. 13 minus 8 is 5. Okay, distance. And 4 minus 4 is 0. It means that cancel out. Then we get 8 whole 5 over 6. 8 whole 5 over 6. This is the answer of this questions. Understand? If any student have doubt in this question, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, now read this. Okay, distance. Now let's start question number 18 of D. Here given that 4 whole 1 over 6 plus 5 whole 3 over 12. Okay, distance. Look at here carefully. Here given that 2 mixed fraction, then this mixed fraction, then we have to change this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Okay, look, 6 4 is 6 into 4 plus 1. Firstly we have to take the multiplication of 6 by 4, then add 1 and total upon 6. Okay, plus 12 into 5, we have to take the multiplication of 12 and 5, then add 3 by total upon 12. Okay, look at here carefully. After multiplying these we get 6 4 is 24. 24 plus 1 over 6 plus 12 5 is 60 plus 3. 60 plus 3 over 12. Okay, after adding these we get 24 plus 1 25 over 6 plus 60 plus 3 is 63 over 12. Just look at here carefully. Here given that 6, here 12. We know that 6 and 12 are not same denominator, therefore we can take the LCM of 6 and 12. Okay, 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 12. 3 is not divided by 2, therefore we can take 3 as same. 2 2 is 4. 2 3 is 6, 2 6 is 12. Look, We know that 2 3 is 6, 2 6 is 12. Again we have to take 2, 2 3 is 3 is not divided by 2. Therefore here we can take 3 as same and 2 3 is 6, 3 1 is 3, 3 1 is 3. Okay. Then LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12. Okay sense? The LCM of 12. Look. Here given that 6, we know that if we have to take the multiplication of 6 and 2, then we get 12. Similarly 12 1 is 12. Okay. It means that in this fraction we have to take the multiplication by 2 in numerator and denominators, and in this fraction we have to take the multiplication by 1 in numerator and denominator. Okay. Then we get, look at here carefully. Here given that 25 over 6 plus here given that 63 over 12. Okay sense? In this fraction we have to take the multiplication by 2, and in this fraction we have to take the multiplication by 1 for finding the same denominators. Okay. 6 2 is 12 plus 12 1 is 12 and 25 2 is 50. 25 2 is 50 plus 63 1 is 63. After adding this we get 3 plus 0 is 3, 6 plus 5 is 11. Okay. Divided by 12. Understand? Dear sons, here given that 113 over 12. Here we get 113 divided by 12. This is an improper fraction. Therefore we have to change the given improper fraction into a mixed fraction by taking the division of 113 by 12. Okay sons? 12 9 is 108. Okay, 12 9 is 108. After subtracting these we get here given that 13 minus 8 is 5. Okay, and 10 minus 10 is 0. It means that firstly we have to take one borrow from this 1 and 3 makes 13. 13 minus 5, 13 minus 8 is 5. Okay, 13 minus 8 is 5. Understand? And here we get 0 in place of 1. 0 minus 0 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. It means that cancel out. Okay. After dividing these we get 9 mixed, 5 whole, 9 whole, 5 over 12. Okay. 9 whole, 5 over 12. Okay distance. This is the answer of this question. If you have any doubt in this question, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay. And after completed these questions, please send on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay. Okay distance. Please write this question in your maths fair copy. Understand? Thank you.